So I run into a group of guys, and they're talking about them being a product, them being shunned, them being treated less than human. They all told their story. And they couldn't understand why I was the way I am towards females. And yeah, it does look like I'm mad when I'm fucking replying back to their comments, but I'm not. But when I told them guys that I explained that they are a product of what happened to their mom. Me, on the other hand, I'm a product of female nature. Because I told them about how my mom's oldest sister liked my dad, but my dad liked the middle sister, and my mom was just a kid anyway. So my dad wasn't trying to mess with my mom, he was trying to mess with the middle sister. But the messed up thing is, at the time, my mom and middle sister, they're pretty much the same height. And I guess the oldest sister was trying to, you know, do the my body, my choice thing, the native culture, lady's choice. That didn't work. And this is why I say, I mean, I'm not used to rejection, but I deal with it. A lot of guys will always deal with it 10 times better than females will. With the exception, some idiots will be idiots. And then they started asking the ages. All I know is my mom's oldest sister was born in 57, my dad in 60. I don't know when the middle sister was born. I just know my mom was born in 66. I was born in 81. But anyway, This female comes out of nowhere, starts talking something on this other guy's page. But she starts talking about her cousin being a victim of trauma and all that. And what got this guy going on me was that I asked, and he chose to pick a different comment for his narrative instead of the comment that got her to shut the fuck up and leave me alone. I said, if you already knew that she was going through problems with some guy, how come you didn't do nothing? How come you didn't go to the cops? How come you didn't tell her, sneak over here, stay here, get the kids here? That's the fucked up part about female nature. They do not care if you are going through problems. They will use your problems if you do not survive for their fucking narrative. This guy was trying to twist it around saying I was a victim blaming. But anyway, I got fucking mobbed on. Like 4 other guys, 6 other females. They all got quiet when they found out who really wanted to have my dad's baby. My dad wasn't having it. And instead of handling rejection like a grown ass woman, she acts like a spoiled rotten fucking brat bitch cunt. Tired of that fucked up female nature. I don't hate women. I wish nothing bad on them. I'm just tired of their fucking bullshit. Needs to change. Part of the reason of April 24th happening is part of their fucked up attitude. Bullshit, feminist ideology shit. Raising fatherless fucking kids. Fatherless generation. One doubted them fuckers that started that April 24th shit are raised by fucking hardcore feminist moms. Single at that. Fucking bullshit. Everyone wants to ignore that one simple fact of why April 24th is happening. Because it is these fuckers that are raised by single moms in the government that are pulling this shit. The manosphere is probably going to get blamed for that. It's not a laughing matter, but damn, how many times is a manosphere going to be accused of fucking shit that they had no part in? And these guys that I was having a conversation with, they were either my age or older, maybe even a couple of years younger. One of them said they might dox me, and it's a libtard app owned by big tech, so as long as you're not a Trump supporter, they'll let you have access to anybody's personal information. They'll also let you have Trump supporters' information. But anyway, one of them thought I was actually taken advantage of recently. They're like, how come you didn't fight back? How come you're big enough? And I was like, dude, it happened when I was a fucking kid. Real defenseless. I mean, I understand, because I was spanked as a kid. That's punishment. But what my mom's older sister did, I'm never gonna call her aunt. Never. She don't deserve that respect. I don't even consider her a relative. I'll just tell her that's my mom's older sister. I don't know. What a way to spend 420, huh? Sometimes I wish I was back in my home village. Back behind the ridge up on the mountain. Behind the ridge. Not one bear den. But anyway, guess you could say my safe space is my own backyard. Out in the middle of fucking nowhere. I miss home.